Are you looking for the best 4K camera drone? In this video we will look at some of the 5 best 4K camera drone on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. DJI Mini3 Pro. DJI continues to lead the drone market, and the Mini3 Pro shows us exactly why. Equipped with a powerful 4K camera, this compact drone delivers stunning video quality at 60 frames per second and captures breathtaking 48-megapixel photos. With a flight time of up to 34 minutes, you'll have plenty of time to get the perfect shot. What sets the Mini3 Pro apart is its versatile gimbal, which can rotate 90 degrees to take true vertical photos, perfect for social media. Safety is also a priority, with tridirectional obstacle sensing and the latest advanced pilot assistance system, APAS, ensuring smooth and secure flights every time. Number 2. DJI Mini2. Here's a polished version of your description, with a bit more flow and emphasis on key features. For those looking for a more budget-friendly option, the DJI Mini2 is an excellent alternative to the latest Mini models, offering impressive capabilities for aerial photography enthusiasts. Its 4K camera is mounted on a reliable 3-axis gimbal, ensuring smooth, stable shots. It can capture stunning 12-megapixel photos and record 4K video at 30 frames per second, delivering quality that's hard to beat at this price point. The Mini2 boasts a flight time of up to 10 minutes, and with its video transmission range of over 10 miles, you'll have plenty of flexibility to explore the skies. Plus, its ability to resist level 5 winds makes it a robust choice for capturing steady footage even in challenging conditions. Number 3. Sima X500 4K drone with UHD camera. If you're new to drones, this model is an excellent entry-level option that won't break the bank. It's designed to pair seamlessly with your mobile device, which clips right into the controller for easy operation. The camera offers a 120-degree wide-angle field of view and a 90-degree vertical tilt, allowing for versatile shooting angles. With 2 included batteries, you'll get a total of 56 minutes of flight time, plenty of time to practice and capture impressive aerial footage. Number 4. Holystone HS720E GPS drone. This drone combines advanced features with a competitive price point, making it a great choice for creators. Its 4K camera is powered by a high-quality Sony sensor and equipped with electronic image stabilization, ensuring crisp, smooth footage. You can capture stunning 4K video at 30 frames per second or switch to 1080p at 60 frames per second for high-speed action shots. The camera lens boasts a wide 130-degree field of view, perfect for expansive landscapes or dynamic aerial perspectives. With 2 included batteries providing a total flight time of 46 minutes, you'll have plenty of opportunity to explore and create. Number 5. Holystone 2-axis gimbal GPS drone with 4K EIS camera. This drone is a versatile option for capturing high-quality aerial footage. Its 4K camera is mounted on a 2-axis motorized gimbal, and with electronic image stabilization, it ensures smooth and stunning video. With a flight time of just under 30 minutes, you'll have ample opportunity to get the perfect shot. Designed for ease of use, it connects to your mobile phone via the controller, providing an intuitive flying experience. The built-in GPS enhances stability and precision, while features like headless mode, automatic takeoff, and altitude hold make it user-friendly, even for beginners.